Hello, this is Rachel, and I'm a Tupperware consultant, and today I'm wearing my pink fluffy skirt because I told my customer I would. And it brings good luck and joy to everyone around. It is the pink fluffy skirt. Whoa. Anyway, I'm here actually to show you how to make oats in the rice maker. I only have the mini rice maker here today, and I'm using this because it's on special. So the recipe I found for oats uses the quick oats. That's half a cup of quick oats. Quick rolled oats. And then 1 cup of milk. I'm giving it a little stir. I don't know if you really need to. Just make sure you're not up past your max line, which you aren't with this recipe in the mini. And then you don't need the rice maker cover. And I'm using my phone to tape this. I can't remember. I think you might need this one. I don't think you do. It just showed just open. But the rice maker insert is not required. And then the recipe that I saw online said 2 minutes. If you want before you put it in, you can add stuff, or maybe after as well. I came up with some ideas. So, of course, all your fresh fruits could go in there. So berries are awesome, and apples. But if I were doing apples, I'd probably put them in the microwave while it's cooking. That would be fine. Other good ideas, and you can mix and match your flavors, is maple syrup. Honey is good, and honey's good with lots of fruit and stuff too. And so is maple syrup. Cinnamon, which is also good with fruit. Honey, maple syrup, cinnamon's really good. Nutmeg, which is also good with your fruits and good with cinnamon and good probably with pretty much everything here. I used to be big into this spice brand, and they had like a maple kettle corn. It would be really sugary. You wouldn't need very much of that, but it's kind of a maple sugar flavor. Speaking of sugar, brown sugar would be amazing, and that would go well with pretty much everything else here, because it would all taste kind of like pie, berry pie kind of a thing. And then I had this mixed stuff, but the only thing with this is it needs to sit a little while because the fruits in it are quite crunchy. So that's your summer berries dip mix. So you could use a dip mix with your oatmeal if you wanted something flavored. So lots of ideas for that. You could probably put chocolate chips in. If you put them in the microwave, they would melt. Oh, the oats would all be chocolatey. And then you could add something else to that. I don't know, maybe peanut butter would be good. Or you can get that Reese peanut butter. It's like cocoa added to peanut butter, so it tastes like Reese's Pieces or whatever. And then you're supposed to let it stand for 1 minute. So I'll put a timer on. Kitchen timer, 1 minute. Nope. Kitchen timer, 1 minute. It says to let it stand. Maybe it thickens up at that point. I don't know. But it's nice to cool it off so you don't burn yourself. So we'll give that a try. So yeah, you could definitely add this before. As long as it's not anything oily or fatty, it really won't damage the plastic. if you do use something oily or fatty, it's still okay. It's just might pit. Pitting is caused by fatty foods in plastic. And that doesn't mean it's not usable. It just doesn't look very nice. So all this stuff isn't very fatty. So this should be able to go in the microwave because it's more sugar than fat. But it's not like greasy, you know, and that's what causes that pitting that you don't like in your plastic.
Oh, I see them.
2, 1. Ooh, that's quite nice. Let's see what I can do for you as well. Maybe my microwave isn't as hot, but this is quite milky. You might not even need that much milk, unless you like it milky. Whoa. 1 second. I'm trying. Maybe my microwave might not be as strong as one of those little RV ones. But I'm going to give this a taste test and see how cooked the oats are. That tastes like hot cereal. That's actually quite a nice taste. The texture's nice. I don't find it overcooked or undercooked. But I would put sweets in mine. I put nutmeg in everything. I put cinnamon in. It tastes like Christmas. And they kind of have that similar texture.
Oh, I have nothing to deal with. I'm going to die. They can't see us here, so this is a good way for us to escape somehow.
That looks like hot cereal.
I'm dead.
Okay. So, brown sugar
Up to you.
and oats and cinnamon and nutmeg is my, I'd put apple bits in this, then it would taste like apple pie.
You gotta get inside the building. Pick me up inside here.
I have to dedicate this to my dear friend Danielle, who wanted to find out if we could do oats in this. Maybe I'll bring it into work for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.